Hello everyone, magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back to my channel and a new segment of Magluto Canadian. Today, we are making beef caldereta as per requested by Chris Olivero. So shout out to you for requesting and challenging me in the process. Never made this dish before. This will be the first time making it, and it's today. So, before we start, don't forget to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and for those of you guys who already subscribed, thank you for always supporting your boy, Magluto Canadian. So, what are we waiting for? Let's do it! So, let's introduce our ingredients for today. We are using chopped potatoes, chopped carrots, chopped red and green bell peppers. We have our chopped onions, our chopped garlic, our beef chopped in cubes, tomato paste, salt and pepper. We have our 2 cups of water, 3 bay leaves, fish sauce, liver spread, and olive oil. So first off, olive oil, 3 tablespoons. Make sure it's in medium heat. So what we're gonna do here first is we're gonna cook off our potatoes and our carrots until it's slightly brown on the edge. Oops, be careful, this will splash on you. So once we get the color that we need on the edge of the potatoes and the carrots, we'll take it off the heat and set it aside. Now that we got our potatoes and carrots slightly browned, we're just gonna set it aside. And we're cooking off our onions and our garlic, sauteing it. So now that we took off our potatoes and our carrots and set it aside, we're gonna saute our onion and our garlic. So with this one, you wanna lower down the heat. You don't want to burn the onions. You just want it a little bit translucent. So once the onions is a little translucent, we're gonna add our 1 pound of beef brisket. So we're just gonna cook off this beef, our beef brisket, for around 5 minutes. And then, before we forget, we'll add our 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. So after our beef brisket is slightly browned, we're gonna add our water and bay leaf. And we're gonna season it with black pepper first. So after that, we're gonna bring it to a boil. So now that our brisket is start boiling, we're gonna lower it down to low heat. And we're just gonna cover it. And cook it off for 50 minutes. We put it down in low heat. While we're waiting, always don't forget to stir it occasionally. If you need to add more water, do so. However, just stir it and wait it out until the beef is tender. Once our beef is tender, we're just gonna let it come to a boil again and reduce the liquid to half. So once the liquid is reduced in half, we are adding our liver spread first. Tomato paste. And a pinch of chili. Just mix it in. We're gonna cook this off for like around 5 minutes. So once 5 minutes is up, we're gonna add all our vegetables. We're gonna put our potatoes, our carrots, and the rest of the veggies in there, and our peas. You can add a little bit more water if you need to. So what I'm gonna do right now is gonna add a little bit more liquid, just because I want a little bit of sauce, a little bit more sauce in my in this dish. And plus, with all the starch, it will literally absorbs it and thickens it up. But if you do that, if you do add a little bit more excess liquid, just make sure that you are seasoning it with salt and pepper. So our caldereta is ready to go and it's done. So guys, if you guys have any more requests that you want to see in my channel, please do so. I would love to make it for you and put a little bit of my twist in it. I hope everybody is staying safe out there, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So now that our caldereta is done, I just want to say shout out again to Chris, and thank you for suggesting this dish. What are we waiting for? Let's start plating. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, thank you for supporting your boy, Magluto Canadian. And I hope everybody's having a wonderful day. Beef caldereta. Have a good day.